Hey everyone, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Today, you know what I'm doing, a trade recap. However, today was a disastrous one. I really beat myself up, and I just can't seem to get anywhere in this market right now. I feel like lots of things are just not following through. The small cap world is not great at the moment, but on top of that, I'm making major mistakes, major rookie mistakes, and I'm getting beat up out there, and I'm doing it to myself. I mean, I do have the option of stepping back and taking it easy on the trading, and it's just, yeah, it's like I get a little bit of progress, and then just going right back in the opposite direction. So it just feels like one step forward, two steps back, last couple days. And, yesterday was a green day, but today is red. So let's talk about it. I'm down 1652 red on the day. And two major mistakes here, so we're going to walk through them. I'll show you what happened. And I should have stepped away, and I didn't, and just kept trading, try to trade through it. And I think that was the problem there. And there weren't a ton of opportunities. There were a couple different things were popping up here and there, but just not the strength that I'm looking for in this market right now. So I probably need to take a break until market comes back. But the thing is, to understand when that comes through, you have to be in the market every day to kind of see how everything is going. Are things slow? Are they hot? And the only way to be there or to find out is in my opinion, is to be there. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the recap for you today. Show you the performance. Here we go. First trade out of the day, and this was a mistake that I got into yesterday. I easily could have sold out of it and would have been fine with a smaller loss. But BBIG, this was continuation from yesterday. I got in after hours, and first mistake there. I was just kind of chasing the move, and I'll show you the chart in a moment. But anyways, closed out of it this morning pre-market because it wasn't looking good at all. So took an $800 loss there. After that, I put on a ton of good trades that were in the right direction. My problem was I didn't have much share size in them, so they were all smaller and they were all quicker trades. So just kind of annoying there because I was making progress, getting right in the right direction, but it just wasn't big enough, and probably wasn't holding the winners long enough either. So then I took my next big fatal mistake, which was on VAXX. I'll show you that in a moment here. I'm gonna highlight my losers here for you guys today because those are the significant ones. Show you where I messed up. And the green ones were okay. They were just not really that great at all. $15 here, $25 there. Yeah, just not much progress. So 9 green trades and 4 red. So ratios are good there. It's just that my winners are just so much smaller than my losers today. So very, very annoying. And once again, I did it to myself. So hopefully you guys can learn from some of these mistakes here. Let's look at it real quick. BBIG. This one had a massive move yesterday. I traded it yesterday, but I felt like it was pretty choppy, and that was all throughout here. However, after hours, boom, we get this massive move up, and I'm thinking, wow, this thing has got some strength. I want to hop in for the ride here. Hopped in right at the top here. It was actually not $6, but like $6.95 or $6.97. I got in thinking I was thinking a little bit of a pullback and then breaking past 6. We never got it. It was just a sell-off. We got a bit of a bounce back. I guess I got a little greedy there and just didn't sell out, thinking it might continue. Nope. Sell off again, went sideways. Opens up this morning, absolute drop down. So taking, huge loss here. And anyways, I got out this morning at 5:10 because I told myself, you know what, this thing is not looking good. So I'm glad I sold out pre-market and just got out of there and took the loss. So $800 loss there. Stupid play on my part. I should have never been trading after hours, chasing a move. But then again, I thought, this might have some potential to really rip the next day and, maybe sell tomorrow pre-market or when the market opens up for some of the highs and then watch the sell-off. But it didn't go that way, so I just ate the loss. And the other one I want to highlight is VAXX. So I traded a few other things today. I'm not going to show some of those other ones. Oh, I got my little buddy over here. He's hanging out with me. Here you go, bud. Just chilling. So anyways, yeah, with VAXX here, this one beat me up. I did it to myself, though, to be honest. I'm not going to say the market did this. I completely walked into this. So I was not interested in this. I saw this move up right here, went into a halt, comes back down, right? And I wasn't even interested in this point just because the chart was not looking great, right? Not a lot of volume. But then we see much more volume come in, tons of volume come in, and we get this rip that just goes right into a halt. And I go, okay, this is looking much better now. Once it opens up, I want to see if I can get in on a dip, ride it to the next leg, hopefully past 10 or test 10, maybe breaks way beyond that. So I hopped in, 950, which I thought was a good price, and boom, just this continuous sell off. And so now I get stuck in this position. I go, shit, I can't hold this. So I ended up selling out about 901, and took my next big major hit for today. It was down $642 on that. So it was one after the other, and they were significant hits. So those two were my biggest losers today. And like I said, all the other winners they're not even worthy of going over. They were quick scalps. Even though I had a lot more of them, they didn't compare to these big losers here. So this chart's disgusting. So much volatility. In hindsight, maybe should have taken a breather on it to see if we could get that push, and that's what I was just anticipating. I've seen it plenty of times where we get the move up and then we get the continuation further up, but this is kind of a big fake out, and boy, that would have been an excellent short. But I think I tried getting short a couple different times on VAXX, but I couldn't get any locates on it, so I had to leave it at that. And then only to see it, come crashing down all those to this point here, 833, and then all the way back up to 850, where my original price was. To think I could have possibly gotten out break even on it, but hey, that ship has sailed. And to try to hold and hope, it's not a great strategy at all. So anyways, that was my big mistake today. I want to hear from you guys. Did you guys trade VAXX? Did you get caught in this? Was this looking appealing to you at any point? Where'd you hop in? Where'd you hop out? Did you make money on it? If you did, congrats. If you didn't and you lost some money, I feel you on it. So that's where I'm sitting today. It's just been a frustrating kind of last week and this week, and I'm just kind of driving me nuts. I had to take the last 30 minutes of the day and go do a run, get outside, and get some fresh air, because it was just, trying to trade and sometimes too long just can eat you up. So anyways, that's it for the recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know how you traded today, and let me know how your trading journey is going. Take care. See you tomorrow.